Don't be a pussy little nigga, just tell me what's up. Speaking my name, but ain't adding it up. Getting that money straight, packing it up. Looking at nigga, I don't give a fuck. Your nigga want me, what's this, that tough? I had enough, coming at me like you big and buff. But you is not, so please just hush. I'm running up and running the rush. I'm running up and running the rush. You cannot compete, you are not above me. Even though you hate, can't help but love me, raise you like that. Your mama, I dummy, not taking it back. Your pockets look funny, better move around. Bet you won't touch me. Come a little closer, treat you like gummy. Come a little closer, wrap you like mommy, and find your line like it was your tummy. Ring on your foot, know what's coming. No ordinary ring, bitch, I am coming. Coming for your neck, better find a bag. Get up off your knees, come and be my pet. Give me the chain to go on your neck. I ain't my husky, you're a poodle, not rich.